I've taken the silencer off the mower because it was the bracketry that I made to hold it on. I never got round to painting and it was starting to rust and look a bit scabby, but also the main reason was where I bodge welded the silencer to the existing exhaust, the welding had all cracked and wasn't holding up, so I've taken it off to clean that up and try and do a better job of it this time. Right, well, I've got the manifold off and as you can see it's quite scabby. It's still solid but it's quite rusty, so I'm going to have a look through, see if I've got any high temperature paint, give it a good clean off and try and get some paint on it just to limit corrosion, because these parts are really difficult to get hold of, especially in the UK. But you can see my horrendous attempt at welding previously, and I don't know why it hasn't taken at all, but just showing my ignorance for welding there basically. But I'm going to clean all that off and have another go at welding it to the silencer. Well, that's the exhaust finished up. I think you'll agree it looks a lot nicer and it should be a fair bit quieter when I come to use it again. Thanks for watching, I'll see you again.